wish I had an eagle's flight to float on high, so high in the sky, and I'd see the world from way up there, and the world would see me high and free. And I wish I had an eagle's flight. I wish I had an eagle's flight. I wish I was a mountain spring that flows to the sea, goes where it pleases, and I'd let my waters flow, flow where they may, go where they will. And I wish I was a mountain spring. I wish I was a mountain spring. And I feel that way sometimes, like I'm finally free. And I feel that way sometimes, like I'm finally free. I wish I was a whispering breeze that cools the summer heat, the soft, gentle breeze. And I'd go anywhere I please, from sea to shining sea, for all eternity. And I wish I was a whispering breeze. I wish I was a whispering breeze. I wish I was the snow on the peaks, where only eagles go, the purest snow. And I'd melt and run down the mountains, a never-ending flow, with no one to know